This is how I knew it was time to quit my full-time job and pursue Amazon FBA full-time. It was right near the end of Q4 in December. This is about 7 or 8 years ago. And my boss was like noticing that I was quite tired like every single day. And that's because I would work an 8 hour day and then go home and work another 8 hours, get barely any sleep, and then be back at work the next day. Because as you know, when you're in the middle of Q4, it gets very crazy, especially with selling on Amazon, especially when you sell a lot of toys, because everyone is purchasing toys at that time of year for their kids' Christmas presents. So I explained to my boss what was going on, and that's why I was tired and not as productive at work. And my boss said to me, "Well, how much are you making doing this Amazon thing?" And I showed my boss the numbers, and she was like, "Why are you still working here?" And it was at that very moment that I knew that I should not work my full time job anymore and that it was time to pursue Amazon FBA full time. That actually ended up being my last work day ever. And I haven't worked for 7 or 8 years now because I've been doing Amazon FBA full time, and it's allowed me to stay home, work from home, and build a full on business, make significantly more money than I was making at my 9 to 5 job. And it's allowed me to have a lot of freedom. So if you have any questions about selling on Amazon FBA, then comment your questions below and I'll do my best to answer them.